Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello my lions, hello my patrons. Today is Monday and it's a brand new day. Isn't that the wonderful thing about life? Every morning is a brand new day. Yes it is. And so today we're going to wake up and start this brand new day, this brand new week, this last week of the month. We've only got today and then tomorrow will be in the merry, merry month of May. So today is a 3-layer cake. The first layer of our cake is our routines. Yes, we start the day with routines and we end the day with routines. And routines are weaved in throughout our day. That is the way we live. That is our way of being. That is our way of having control, of having peace, and of loving ourselves. Routines are the main thing about FlyLady, not zones, routines. So let's get these routines down first. And if you've got them down, we're going to work on the whole 3-layer cake. Okay, so the first thing is our morning routine. So we're going to get up before the rest of the family and do our morning routine. After the routine, we're going to put our children, if we have them, through their routines, or whomever we care for. And then we're also going to do those little things that have to be done every morning, those things I call chores, like, I don't know, something that you have to do every day. Whatever that is. For me, at my parents' house, it's taking care of the dog first thing in the morning. I feed her in the morning, I let her out in the morning, I clean her pads up in the morning. That's what I do. Those are my little chores. They take that long because they're a routine. I don't have to stop and think about it. It's just going to happen first thing in the morning. Another thing that I'd like you to do is make sure, I just watched Kimmy, and she's in her apron, one of my favorite, most precious, lovely friends. And the one thing she talks about is opening the blinds, and that's something I do every single morning. I never even thought of it as part of my routine. I think I may have mentioned it before, but let's add this to our morning routine. That sunshine will help you wake up. Hopefully, if you're watching this in the summer, there's lots of sunshine coming in. All right, at least morning light. Even if it's rain, it's morning. It's something that wakes your body up. Okay, so we're going to do our morning routines, the children's routines, the chores. Now, we're going to start our day. So that's the beginning of our first layer. That layer is worked in throughout the day. So if you're staying home today, you're going to start your laundry. That's your second routine. And while your laundry is washing itself and drying itself, because we are not physically doing that, we're just physically putting the clothes in the machine, putting the soap in and turning it on, putting the clothes in the dryer, pushing the button and walking away. And then when it's dry, that's when we do laundry. We fold it, hang it up, and put it away. All right. So while the laundry is washing itself, good little laundry, we're going to do our paper routine, our third routine. If you have paper clutter, you're going to pick up an inch of it and go through it. Once you've gone through your paper, you're going to take the 98% of it that is trash and throw it away or shred it or whatever you do with it. And then you're going to put the things that you need to handle and the things that need to be filed in your inbox to be handled on your desk day, Wednesday. This will only take a couple of minutes. You're going to do it in nanosecond choices. Nanosecond, trash, garbage, or handle. Handle means you need to do something with it this week or soon. Call somebody, investigate something, contact a company and dispute something, those kinds of things. So that's going to go in your inbox. Anything that needs to be filed, and there won't be much, also goes in there, and you're just going to file those away in broad categories. Anything else is trash. Okay, so after you've done that routine, that's your third routine, the fourth routine that you're going to do after you fold your laundry and put it away is going to be your after dinner routine, and the fifth one is your before bed routine. So you can see it kind of works itself into your day. Now for the second layer of our 2-layer cake, that's our basic weekly plan. Today is our weekly home blessing hour. Hooray! We're going to get it done in 1 hour. It's just 6 10-minute things. Most of them don't even take 10 minutes. Or at least half of them don't take 10 minutes. Stripping the bed and putting the sheets in the washing machine, which is part of your laundry this morning, takes less than 10 minutes. Vacuuming your whole house, that will take 10 minutes probably, and you'll be making yourself stop. So make sure when you go to each room, you're just getting traffic patterns. You're not detail or precision vacuuming. We're not making the pretty patterns in the carpet. We're just vacuuming real quick, right? The third thing, mopping. You are going to completely mop the small bathrooms, and you're going to give a larger bathroom or the largest kitchens, you're just going to do traffic patterns in there, okay? If you have a small kitchen, you can get the whole kitchen too. And that mopping total is 10 minutes or less. Those are the biggest jobs. And then you're going to have wiping the glass, less than 10 minutes. Emptying the garbage cans, that's just pulling out the little bags and putting in new ones, less than 10 minutes. So that is going to be a really quick clean of your house. And when you're done, you can sit down and say, what a good girl am I? I did my weekly home blessing hour, and I don't have to do it again until Monday, and it's not even that hard. Or you can delegate the simpler chores to the smaller children. Small children can empty garbage cans, or they can line garbage cans. If your garbage cans are gross, wash them. You know, take a little bit of time later today, put some soapy water in them, and let them soak. Wash them out. Have a clean garbage can so you're not disturbed that your children are touching the garbage can, right? Or you. So you don't want just a liner hiding nastiness. Let's clean it out. But that's something you're going to do later today. Or you could do it in your detailed cleaning of your bathroom in zone 3, the main bathroom. All right. The next thing we're going to do is that you could delegate is wiping the spots off the glass. Now, little kids can't reach high, obviously, but they could do the lower things and feel like they're part of it. And you can let them be busy while you're doing your part. Another thing that little children can do is dust. Again, the lower if they can't reach the higher, and give them something good to dust with, a feather duster. And tell them not to knock things over, but to dust around. And you really can't knock over big things, or you shouldn't be able to knock over big things with a feather duster. Tell them to be gentle. And then you do the higher things. That's something you can do. Now, they can't strip your bed. They can't make your bed later in the day. They probably aren't going to be great at vacuuming, at least not quickly, and you certainly don't want them mopping your bathrooms, not when they're little. Now, when they get bigger, they certainly can. A 9-year-old can do these jobs, all of them. You're doing the job of a 9-year-old child. My husband always says, I'll say, should I take 2 Tylenol? And he says, a 12-year-old can take 2 Tylenol. You know, we forget that their bodies at 12 can handle what our adult bodies can handle as far as medication goes. Certainly they can do a lot of these jobs, and I feel at 9 years old they can do a lot of these jobs. They're tall enough, they're strong enough, they're agile enough. So don't forget to delegate, and then inspect what you expect, and expect a good job. Don't expect a perfect job, but expect them to put some effort into it, just like you do, and work alongside them. Okay, so this is Weekly Home Blessing Hour. Now, if you're working, you're not going to do Weekly Home Blessing Hour today. You're going to do it in 6 little parts, 1 a day, including Saturday. Or you can delegate, and inspect what you expect when you get home. The next thing we're going to do is our third thing is our zone. We are in Zone 5. We only have 1 day of Zone 5. That is today. And that is our living room. So pick something that's been bugging you in there, if it's decluttered, and clean that thing. Do that. If it's you wanted to get the spots out of the carpet with your mobile small handheld rug shampooer, do that. Or if you wanted to really mop those hardwood floors, do that. Or if you wanted to really polish the furniture in there, do that. The thing that's been bugging you, that's what you're going to do. Now, can't handle the thing that's been bugging you because there's clutter in there, then you're going to declutter hard and fast for 15 minutes. You'll be shocked at how much you can get done. Love it when you guys post before and after pictures on our Facebook. There's a link below. Okay? All right. Now, when you come home from work, payroll lions, or when your kids come home from school, at home lions, then we're going to start doing our clutter checks again. So you did a clutter check, I forgot to mention, a clutter check this morning before the day began, after breakfast, once the kids got up and got dressed and they've been alone for a little bit. Then you're going to do another one after school, or when you get home from work, or after nap time or whatever that marks the middle of your day with your children. And then you're going to do one more tonight before bed as part of the before bed routine. So after Clutter Check, start thinking about what you're having for dinner. Actually, you thought about it last night and this morning when you looked at your planner, and you have those things thawing, defrosting. Go ahead and prep your veggies if you haven't done that. Get things ready so that it won't be so hard later on when you're making dinner. And then when you finally do prepare your dinner, if you are a payroll lion, you're going to do the zone while your dinner is simmering, or while it's holding on the stove or in the crock pot or in the Instant Pot or whatever. So you're going to do the zone, which is the thing in the living room, that 10-minute clean or less, or that 15-minute declutter with a complete the process of throw away, put away, give away. Okay. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch my video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies, and then you'll know, and you won't have to watch it again. It's 40 minutes long. Take notes, pay attention. It's your own personal class on how to do the FlyLady system. All right, so after dinner, everyone is going to do the after dinner routine together. And then after dinner, you're going to start your before bed routines. If it's late, if it's still early, you're not, but if it's late or you're tired, start it with you. If you're not so tired and it's time for the kids to have that 30-minute warning before the before bed routine, go ahead and do that. All right, after that, look at your planner tonight after everyone's tucked in. Make sure you've got the right clothes laid out for tomorrow. Make sure your kids have all been taken care of before you put them in bed about their homework or their projects or anything like that. Everything's by the door, ready to go. If you make lunches as part of your evening routine, lunches are ready and in the fridge or whatever. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope you always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.